everyone, my name is Reese and today I am going to show you how to make my version of KFC style chicken. So the first step of this process is to marinate the chicken. To marinate the chicken you need salt, pepper, some seasoning, crushed garlic and vinegar. As you see over here, I have already added salt and pepper. Now I will add the seasoning. After that, I will add the crushed garlic. And now, I will pour the vinegar all over. Now, I will mix the ingredients with my hand. Now this chicken is seasoned. I am going to keep this overnight. For my further marination. I'll see you tomorrow. Hi everyone, welcome back. Now let's check on the chicken that we have kept overnight to marinate. Now, as you see over here, I've used cling wrap to cover the chicken because it is very unhygienic to keep raw chicken exposed in your fridge. Always remember, after touching raw chicken, you should always wash your hands. Now, the first step of cooking this chicken is we have to coat this. So, in this coating, I have put maida, corn flour, salt, pepper, some sugar and some seasoning. So after we coat the chicken, we have to dip it in some cold water, what I've kept right here. And after some time, we have to coat it in the second coating. The second coating is the same as the first one, but it is we have to add crushed cornflakes to it. Now this is how we are doing the first coating. We take a piece of chicken and we put it in this coating. Now I will keep the chicken here. Okay, now we have to dip this coated chicken in this water. After that, we will add this mixture of cornflakes and the coating. And now we will slowly put it in the pan. Now my chicken is done, and that's how you make KFC style chicken strips. This is the final shot of the meal. Let's taste and see how it tastes. It's really good for my first time.